Alright, this is just in 2021 ROCKWOOD 2887MB. This is the mid bunk. Tons of pass-through storage. It's got ground control 3.0, so you can level it, push the button. It's electric. It's nice because no matter how cold it is, it works well compared to the hydraulic ones. You got a 6-gallon gas electric hot water heater. Comes equipped with a tire for truck system technologies, tire pressure monitoring system. So theater seats. They have the parachute handles, so you can manually refold. You don't have to be plugged into power for them to recline. Some of them, but when you do have power, you have lumbar support, which is really nice. This folds down. This U-shaped table folds down to a bed. It also makes a great card playing table. Gas electric oven and stovetop. You got your gas electric freezer and RV refrigerator combo. 1.3 cubic foot built-in microwave oven. Look at all this pantry space. It's ridiculous. You got 2 air conditioners on this camper. You have an electric fireplace, radio, big old TV. It's beautiful. And here's your bunkhouse. Sorry it's kind of dark, but when this isn't being used, you got strut assist to help you pull those up. This couch can be folded down to a bed. You have an insane amount of space in here. Those are movable. Get your duct for your furnace. You got a TV in here, so it could be. What's nice about these type of steps is it has a strut to help you lift it up. It's really easy. This camper, the dry weight is 10,304 pounds, and it's about 36 feet 6 inches. Oh yeah, upgraded toilet. Not the plastic kind. You got your shower miser. It basically creates an infinite loop from your hot water heater to your freshwater tank to heat up your water. That way it's instantly hot. It actually changes color. This is blue when it's cold, and it turns white when it's hot. So you know when your water is warm and ready to shower in. Upgraded fan. Man, it's dark here. There we go. Vinyl roller shades. In case you're wondering what that noise is, there's your junction box. It's a bedroom slide. Queen bed. You got some ports, power ports right by your bed. Some outlets. Looks comfy, doesn't it? Washer dryer prep. And these are frameless windows. They look nice compared to the Lippert windows. They don't have that seal on the outside that can shrink. Yeah, and you got a TV. Two power awnings by Solera. Pre-wired for a backup camera, and this can handle up to 300 pounds for like a bike rack or something. Fully enclosed underbelly, spare tires back there. It's a 50 amp camper. Man, it's beautiful. Come check it out in person at Jacobs Ford.